Good morning, good morning. Check out beautiful right here.
It is too
She is
early.
loading up the saddlebag for our Sunday hog ride. What you got? A snack? Yeah. We got some water.
I got Gatorade.
It's about right at 8 o'clock.
I don't know, it's too early is what it is.
So we today are heading out on another hog ride, leading the hog ride today. Be my last one out. We'll lead for about a month because of our vacation plans the rest of the month. But today is the road captain's surprise ride. I had given the chapter a chance to choose what they wanted and chose 3 pretty good options: scenic rides, interesting places to go, etc. And nobody seemed to care where we went. They just said, look, we'll ride wherever you go. So I was like, okay. So I flipped it over this week to the road captain's surprise. So as you'll see in this video, and they don't know it yet, we're going to meet here in just a little bit. And we are going to go out and ride out to Floyd over Bent Mountain, pick up the Blue Ridge Parkway. We're going to do about 100 to 120 miles on the parkway to Laurel Springs, North Carolina, and eat at an old place that I have been to a couple times. I know a lot of us enjoyed it. Freeborne's restaurant. It's a little restaurant slash hotel area, old school hotel area, and it's a big biker stop. So if you're ever on the parkway, stop at Laurel Springs. I can't remember what exit it is. Maybe I'll put it in this video. But in the meantime, let's ride. We are at Mabry Mill, which you just saw a minute ago. And Mabry Mill's closed, which I found out about last night. But we had George with us, who lives up here in Meadows of Dan, and he knew where the restroom was behind Mabry Mill back here, I guess, on the back side of this little, I don't know if this is a campground or what this would normally be, but we got to the restroom and now we're going to just cruise the parkway. It's beautiful out here.
Don't grow a garden this year.
Get over here. Let me get, hold on.
Okay, well, we can get this.
I got you. I got the Amy. Hold this. Thank you. Ready? Yep. Now you want one of them? Okay.
I like photos.
You don't want to be a mom and dad?
Okay, stay right there.
Oh, come on.
No, we don't do things like that.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm not a photo taker person.
I wasn't either, but she likes to take pics, and I don't get much choice.
But see, I have a choice, sir.
Freebornes, Laurel Springs, North Carolina. Pretty cool place. Been a while since I've been here.
So we stopped at a place called Freeborne, and I'll be honest, I've never been here, so I don't really know. So I thought I would take some pictures. Apparently, it reminds me of the Boar's Nest because there are bikes everywhere, and they're supposed to have some really good burgers. So we're gonna find out here shortly. But this is the love these helmets. I like reading stickers. These are some of the bikes that are here. We're in this pack. There was 8 of us today, and then there was another pack down that way. So we'll go down here and look. See, I see some North Carolina, which we're currently in North Carolina. So I think we've come about 150 miles, but here's some more. And then there's a car. And then this little old restaurant called Freebornes. It's supposed to have some really good burgers, so I might get me a kid's burger. I'm not really sure.
Tell her she's got to talk.
What? We are at Freebornes in Laurel Springs. Tina don't want to talk to the camera today.
Look, he is going to the jail here shortly. I'll show you in a little bit.
When you see the jail, you'll know I've already been there. It's called a wedding chapel. Hey, babe.
Yes, dear.
You going to that jail?
No, I'm already there with you, dear.
Well, it is a wedding chapel, so.
Oh, boo-hoo.
We made it home. What a day.
Thank the Lord above.
How's my hair looking?
Oh, it's fantastic. So it's a new style. You got
Good.
bugs on you too.
Oh, I got bugs on me? Oh, no.
In the back of your neck. Here, come here.
I'll get it.
Well, it's going to
So-
bite you like the one did earlier today.
Oh, you get that off. Yeah, I had a bug incident today, guys.
There you go.
You ever, this is like the second time in a year I get a bug inside my pants.
It ain't because you're too sweet.
No, it's because they want to see what's in my pants. No, I'm just kidding. So,
Really wrong. It's wrong on so many levels.
so this bug on the way on the parkway earlier today got inside my pants and bit me right in the shin at least 3 times. I beat the crap out of my own leg to kill it. I still don't know what it was, but it started throbbing for a little bit and then eventually stopped. But
Big baby.
what a day.
Big
Today
baby.
Today was 275-ish
I don't know.
miles.
You put my butt on this thing for almost 500 miles this weekend.
All country roads. We decided not to do the interstate back. It was all curvy. It was all country roads. It was all twisty turnies. Shit, a bunch of switchbacks. Went out through Floyd, as you
All I know
saw.
is a lot of hip squeezing on my part.
Yeah, she squeezes her legs on me when it curves. I know when she's telling me to, oh gosh, take care of me. So.
It was, oh gosh, slow down. You're coming in hot.
So we went to Freebornes, as you saw, via the Parkway. We did about 90 miles or so on the Parkway today, maybe 100. Beautiful views. The last half, I guess. The first, from Floyd over to North Carolina state line wasn't much to write home about, but the North Carolina state line, the last 30 miles or so before we got to Freebornes. Actually, the best spot was right after Sparta. I know you guys, all you men out there are thinking, Sparta, right? I am too. So, but anyway, we stopped at Sparta for gas and got back on, and that last 20 minutes was beautiful.
I don't know, but Mom, the sun's hot on my back.
Yeah. It was 75, 78 the whole day until we come back down Benton Mountain and got to Roanoke, and it is 93. So we're dying. It's hot. We're going to change clothes, take care of the dog, and we're going to go get dinner. But first, how was your day? Did you enjoy it?
I did enjoy it. The company is always really good.
Yeah.
Even though I have to ride with Mike, I mean, the company is really good. I'm just kidding. I love you.
I think she does. I'm not sure.
He tried to put me in a jail, apparently. It's a joke. It's an ongoing joke.
They'll see it.
Yeah.
Before they see this, they'll
No,
understand.
actually, it was really nice not to have quite as many bikes with us today. So it was good camaraderie, good connections, good conversations. And you really learn a lot about people. You may not realize I'm probably the only rider in the group, so I get a whole different perspective as far as being a rider and watching people pull up behind you that you trust as you lead a ride is really comforting to me. So we usually have Ronnie and Wanell behind us, and I'm gonna tell you, they can flat sure drive it, ride it, and get it. So I feel safe with them back there just the same because we're all looking out for each other. So
Yeah, we had a good
those
crew
kind of days
today.
are really enjoyable.
Yeah, we had a good crew. As you guys saw, it was a smaller group, which, sometimes that's a good thing. Sometimes, you want the bigger group. Last
And
week
I did
we...
lose my blessing of the pen. My back came off, but I
Oh,
imagined to save it.
I didn't
so
know
I
that.
did. Yeah, I gotta get me a new bag, but I
Right.
did manage to save it.
Yeah, so, as I was saying, sometimes you go on a long parkway slow ride. My big group is, a small group, excuse me, is not a bad thing.
Best part of the day.
Our stops were quick, but I do miss the big groups. So those of you that didn't join us today that normally are with us, hey, let's get our 20-some bikes back out because July 5th, we heading up. As of right now, we heading up. We'll do a little parkway. I'm not going to do a bunch of it because I want to get up and run, but we're going to go up and run Skyline Drive. And I know it's going to cost some money, but, you do it once every year or every couple of years, and it's worth it, and the views are amazing. So sometimes you can't put a price on looking at God's country is the way I look at it.
And that's true. And I mean, not everybody can have helmet hair twice in a weekend. It's absolutely
look.
fantastic.
Yeah, so what'd you do? About over 500 miles since yesterday
I know,
afternoon?
but the best
So-
part of it all is we haven't done interstates, and that's just great news to me.
She didn't do interstates, but we did do 75-ish on some 4-lane roads.
On a 60-mile-an-hour road, let's just remind everybody.
No, it wasn't. Don't believe her.
Go speed
Don't
racer.
believe her. So, anyway, we're exhausted.
Ooh, that's
Great
hot.
day, great people, great camaraderie as always. Miss you guys that didn't make it out. So, in a month, come on out with us. We're heading to the beach in next week and a half.
I guess.
We're heading to the beach, and we're going to have a good old time and spend time with family, and we'll We'll be back
Cut
soon.
off or something. I don't know. I know.
We'll see you in a bit.